Hi, good evening, everyone. So let me take you back more than a year back when a startup guy and a fitness freak came together and felt that fitness is not really enough fun and exciting and rewarding. And that was the genesis of Areno. So what is Areno in a nutshell? It's a gamified platform where we enable fitness challenges using AI, artificial intelligence as the backbone, and reward users, right? Okay. So I'm Nikhil Chhabra with overall 18 years of experience across corporates and startups. I've done my MBA from IIM Calcutta. I've done a startup earlier for about 5.5 years, which was in the space of shared mobility, which was backed by GSF Accelerator and TVS Motors. So I'm bringing all of that startup experience and my network here at Areno. Sidharth, my co-founder, is also on the call. So he's a seasoned product manager. He's got overall 16 years of experience across different functions, last 9 years at BlackRock. And he's a fitness enthusiast and a gaming buff. So he's bringing all of that value here onto Areno. Anirudh, he's an advisor with us from day one. He's a deep tech guru based in the Silicon Valley. He's an expert in AI, all forms of AI. He's a TEDx speaker, author of an AI book, and associated with names like NASA, Microsoft. So he's been a great help for us on the AI side. So what's the problem we are solving? I think all of us know that this problem of not having enough motivation to stay fit and do any form of fitness is quite, has been there for decades, right? Now, there are a lot of players who are trying to solve that, but let's try to look, why is this motivation lacking? So one very common reason is that, I don't have time. And that's the biggest problem, because in your order of priorities, your to-do list, fitness comes somewhere down below. Second is that the incentives are lacking and there's no instant gratification, because if you think of fitness as a journey and see the result comes pretty late, right? You don't see any instant results as you try to stay fit. So that, I think, becomes a very big problem, where there isn't enough instant gratification in the fitness journey. The other problems, so what are the solutions that exist in terms of trying to offer a personalized trainer or other such offerings, are fairly expensive and not affordable, especially for the masses. And if we get into the smaller towns, it becomes inaccessible as well. And lastly, that the whole platforms that exist are not really using gamification enough and not gamifying fitness to the extent to make it really fun and engaging. So how are we solving this problem with Areno? What we are saying is that you can actually get paid to do workouts, right? Yes. So we are turning the tables. Till now, everyone has been paying for their gym memberships or for the virtual trainers. We are saying that you can actually get paid to do workouts, right? So here, what we are doing is we have created a platform which measures your workouts using artificial intelligence. There is no human intervention involved, and there's no dependency on any wearable devices. Just using the mobile camera, the workout gets measured. And these are then basically enabling this whole workout measurement enables gamified form of challenges. These could be challenging yourself to win the cash rewards or competing with others on leaderboard, and eventually building the habit. So the concept we are bringing here from the famous atomic habits is of temptation bundling. So at one end, you have a habit of, let's say, playing a game or wanting to win rewards, which is something you want to do because you like doing it. And at the other end, you have something like fitness, which you should be doing, but really doesn't excite you. So we have clubbed those two, and that's what's called temptation bundling.